In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create buttons in Coda. Buttons in Coda are a powerful way to turn your documents into interactive tools. With a single click, you can add rows to a table, open links, update values, and much more. I'll guide you through the process step by step so you know exactly what to expect and why each step matters. First, open your web browser and go to Coda. Any modern browser will work. Head to the site the way you normally do. Typing the address directly or searching for it is fine. Once you're there, sign in to your account. Use your usual login method and make sure you're signing into the correct workspace so the document you want is available. Next, open the Coda doc where you want to create a button. This could be an existing project tracker, a personal dashboard, or any doc where a quick action would be helpful. If you keep lots of docs, the search bar at the top of Coda is a fast way to find the right one. With your doc open, click anywhere on the page to place your cursor. You're just creating a spot in the canvas where the button will live, so choose a location that makes sense in the flow of your content, near a table you'll update, or beside instructions your team will read. Now type /button on your keyboard. The / command opens Coda's insert menu, and typing the word filters it down to exactly what you need. From the menu that appears, select Button. You can click it with your mouse or press Enter to insert it. A settings panel will open so you can define what this button does. Start by entering a clear, concise label. Think of it like a call to action. Labels such as Add Task, Submit, or Open Dashboard make it obvious to anyone using the doc. Then choose the action the button will perform. This is the heart of the button. Depending on what you want, you might select actions like adding a row to a specific table, modifying existing rows, opening a URL, or other options available in your workspace. When you pick an action, Coda may prompt you to specify details, for example, which table to target or which fields to set. So make sure those selections match your intent. When everything looks right, click Done to create the button. It will appear in your doc, ready to use, and it follows the label and action you just set. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.